As we learned in part 1 of this course, plants currently bring the wonderful energy of the earth within them. However, like any other magical tool, it's best to charge your herbs with focused energy before usage in spell work. If you're growing your own, you can charge the seeds or plant starts prior to you plant them, so they will already be charged when collected. For dried or fresh herbs that you've purchased, there are a few approaches you can use. Experiment with more than one to find out what works best for you. Moonlight is a terrific source of wonderful energy. Leave herbs outside or on a windowsill under moonlight for numerous hours. Ideally when the moon is waxing, a full moon is perfect. Make certain to remove them before sunlight strikes them, as this can wind up lightening them and lessening their energy. If you have a big enough quartz crystal, lay your herbs on the crystal for a few hours, as quartz is a natural charger. Visualization is another great charging tool. Hold the herb in the palm of your dominant hand and put the other palm lightly over it. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and picture a white light surrounding and filling your body. Now see the light getting in the herb in your hands. Hold this image until the herb is completely saturated with the white light. With practice, you will begin to sense the energy of the herb awakening between your palms. If you're working with a big amount of the herb, you can simply take a little part for charging, and then return it to the herb container, carefully mixing it in to spread the charge. Words of power can be utilized to charge herbs. This is especially beneficial when you wish to program the herb for a particular function. You can state something like this: I charge this name of herb through the universal power to bring, name the magical purpose, into my life, so let it be. Normally, magical tools are cleared or cleansed of unwanted energy prior to charging. This is not particularly necessary for herbs you've grown yourself or gathered from nature. However, you might want to clear store-bought herbs, as they have actually likely been dealt with by many people before you got them. For fresh herbs, rinsing with water can do the trick. Merely visualize all unfavorable or unwanted energy clearing away under the running water. For dried herbs, you can use a smearing herb to clear them, which will be explained in part 3, or position them under a bell or chime while you sound it. Moonlight likewise doubles as a cleaning representative, so if you're utilizing moonlight to charge, there's no requirement to clear. As with charging, different techniques will work best for various people, so experiment and listen to your intuition as you get more comfy with these procedures.